Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking toxic tiger skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw the skin, and this one's got a pretty cool looking mask, and it's very easy to draw. We're just gonna draw in the eye shape first, which is gonna be basically two big circles. So that's one eye, and then come to the side, just draw another one. Okay, and then from there we're gonna start drawing in part of the hoodie here. So right on the side, just go up. And this side, same thing here, but just a little bit shorter. Okay, because this one's gonna slant down a little bit more. So we just connect those. Okay, and then on the bottom here, right in the middle of this, just draw one curve going this way. So this is going to be part of the mask right here. And on this point here, we'll just curve out to the side, just connect those. Okay, and then now for the bottom of the mask, just come out right around here. You can make two little points first. Just a small bracket, and then we're going to go all the way down. I know it's a very strange looking shape right now. Okay, and then right on the bottom here, I'm going to draw one big circle. So just make sure it's closer to the bottom right here. Now I'm going to draw another circle starting here. So it's going to touch the bottom. Okay, and then for some details right here, just add a line going out. Alright, so that's the mask, and before we draw in the hoodie, we need to finish up part of the body first. So we're going to start out right in the middle here. This is going to be his collar, his shirt collar. So just one kind of like a V shape. And then on the side here, just curve out. And then just come back in. Alright, and then for his shoulder, just come out slightly right here because we're gonna connect this line here for the hoodie. So we just come out first, and then we'll curve, actually slant down. This is gonna be his armpit, and then let's just go ahead and finish this part up first. So we're gonna slant it down all the way down to his waist, and we'll close it with a little V shape here. And then on the bottom right here, let's just add one more section, just for some extra details on his clothing. Alright, so now let's come back up and finish up the hoodie here. So right here, I'm going to connect this. Whatever space you have, just connect them. And then now I'm going to draw an outside line, just right over this. So it's going to go up. Draw this part, and then this part's gonna go up a little bit higher. Alright, so that's the hoodie, and let's come down and finish up his arms, and we'll add in the details inside. So here's the armpit. Just come down right here, and then right here's the shoulder. I'm gonna start from this point, just curve out and down. Close it off. Okay, let's just add one section here. Just come in. So this is going to be his elbow. Okay, so let's draw on the other side first. So again, here's the armpit. Come down. Start on this point. Come out. Let's go down and then just close it off. And then same thing here. Just kind of pinch it in. Okay, and then the lower arm will flare out, curve, straight down, and then just close it off. And then for his hand right here, it's one little hook, back of the hand, and then just hook it into the thumb. Okay, same thing here. We'll flare out, curve, straight down, and then just close it off. Same thing here, one little hook for the thumb, back of the fist, and then just hook it into the thumb. And then for the details right here, I'll draw one little strap, and then right here just come in and then go up. Okay, so same thing here, 2 lines for a strap, come in and then slant up. Okay, so those are his arms. And then for the paint bottles in here, I know it's got 3, I'm just gonna draw in 2. So I'm just gonna draw almost like a square. Let's draw one big square first, and then I'll just divide it in 2. So now we have 2 paint cans, and then 2 stripes in the middle. And then for the tip of the can right here, I'm just gonna add a little angle up here. Alright, and then from here, we'll just follow the same slant and draw 2 lines. Let's go behind it. So just a little strap. Okay, so that's the upper body, and then now for his legs, come down right in the center, just add a little angle. So on the side here, go out, just pinch it back in. So here's the middle, just come over slightly. Okay, and then we're gonna add just a little bit of bump right here. So just give it a little bracket and then close it off. So that's gonna be his knee right there. Okay, so let's draw on the other side. Pretty much the same thing. Here's the middle, just come over slightly. Bracket and then close it off. Alright, and then for his lower leg, you're gonna flare out and come in. So it's got those, it's got a really big flap here on his shoe. So we're gonna close it off early, and then we'll extend it, and then come back in. So this is gonna be the ankle. Alright, so close that off, and then now for his shoe, curve, and this one just go out a little bit more. Close it off, and then let's just add 1 line on the bottom. Okay, same thing here. Flare out, just pinch it in and close it off early. Extend the line, come back in again, and then again close it off. Same thing, curve down, just come out a little bit more on the side. Line, line. Alright, and then lastly, it's got some details up here. So let's add in a little strap right here. And he's got some pockets right here on the side. So right on the side here, I'm just gonna flare out, and then just come down, and then just close it up. Alright, and he's got one more paint can on the back right here. So I'm just gonna draw a little rectangle right behind. And then here's the nozzle again. Same detail here, I'm gonna draw 2 lines. And for the smaller detail, just 2 lines here for the strap. And that is it for this toxic tagger. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.